check out our newest feature release, iCloud Calendar Integration. So what is the new iCloud Calendar integration? This new feature release allows you to easily integrate your iCloud calendar for seamless synchronization for specified calendars like booking, round robins, collectives, and even those new service calendars. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. Well, now you're going to be able to efficiently manage and update calendars within our CRM for all of your selected categories. But what's awesome about this is now you can do it if you use an iCloud calendar. So now you can streamline one-way sync to ensure changes made in our CRM reflect on iCloud, enhancing all that great coordination. Simplifying setup process with clear instructions for hassle-free integration. So first you want to get the app-specific password from Apple, and you're going to go to appleid.apple.com to get this. From there, you're going to generate the app-specific password, and you're going to copy that app-specific password and bring that over to our CRM. And now you're going to want to click on Settings in the left-hand navigation menu. From there, you're going to go ahead and click on My Profile and go into the General tab. Scroll down under Integrations and click Connect. Now go ahead and enter your iCloud email along with your iCloud app-specific password and click Connect. Now you're going to go ahead and configure your primary calendar. You need to go to My Profile, still under the Settings area. Then again, make sure you're in the General tab and scroll down to the Calendar Integration. This is going to be on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and make any necessary modifications, review and edit any conflicts, and you're set up. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.